Yo, where are we now?
It's called a Ningle Terrace, something like that. It's like craft stores hidden in the woods. We're just gonna relax for our last little tour thing.
This is very nice. So at night this place lights up apparently, and I guess it's quite a sight to see. Everything is handcrafted, I believe. Good morning. We are currently in the morning market, famous morning market for this town, and we're back. We spent the night in the hostel and now we're going to go to Sendai. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Made with love and care. Ooh, it's beautiful. I don't know, that freaked me out. What's the...
It's because this and then this, I'm like...
I don't know what that means. Oh, my heart is racing. Okay, is that supposed to warn us about something? Just as I turned the camera on, waves are coming in pretty heavy.
It sounds like a police, but...
Sounds like a warning. Yeah, it was nerve-wracking. Okay, so we're back. Here we go. This is we're on this dock, just sightseeing before we have to catch the train. Yo, that was freaky. Hey, here's our last meal of this little island. We're heading back to Sendai after this. Every now and then we'll find these in Japan, but it's pretty simple how it works. Every plate has a different color, and the prices are based off of that colors. So if you can see here, see the prices. So yeah, here we have some crab belly, and basically this is all sashimi, which is raw. We have tuna, we have salmon, crab belly, we have some squid in here with a really nice sauce. Some rich and clear tasting something, I don't know, I just kind of picked it off. We'll see what it tastes like. And yeah, we basically have to stack them up and then they add them up and they give us a bill after. It's pretty cool. I'm a fan. Ooh, what's this? Now we are in Sendai, back in the mainland, and we're back in the heat. It's hot, it's humid. The sun's not out, but I am just starting to sweat all over. I can start feeling my clothes starting to get sticky and sweaty. Oh, I miss that cool air. Yeah. We're arriving at our hotel and it's got fence everywhere and...
No, that's not it.
Oh, this is not it. That thing? We're finally at the hotel. We were walking 20 minutes in the wrong direction, so we have to walk completely backwards, exactly where we came from, and we're finally here. Oh wow, what the... Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're back at square one. That is actually the metro station, and we're still looking for a hotel. That wasn't the right spot. So we're close. Our hotel is actually connected to the station, so we've been doing way too much walking for what it's worth. And who is our guide? Who is our Google guide?
It's the only time I messed up, okay? I'm tired, I've been doing good.
Yeah, she's been doing really good. We thought we'd take a shortcut and went through the JR transit system, and now we're lost again.
It's been 1 hour since we landed in Sendai.
Damn, it's been 1 hour since we've been looking for this hotel. Yeah, there's no signs.
I'm going to go outside.
Yeah, let's get outside, we'll find it.
Because look, if we exit the east gate, it's here, so I feel like we should see it.
Alright, where are we? Oh, is that it? I can't see, I don't have my glasses.
Hotel Metropolitan Sendai East. 3 minutes?
Let's go
Where
back.
now?
Oh shit, there it is.
Just had to
Right there. Oh wow. Finally. Oh, not too bad. Cute. Let's check out that view actually real quick. Let's teleport.
Oh, sashimi.
Jesus.
Hiya.
Hey, so I just finished eating some squid liver. It was the most interesting thing I've eaten in Japan yet. And I'm gonna do it again just to show you how interesting it is. It's so powerful. So you're supposed to eat that with soya sauce. What's up? Oh. So powerful. It's the most powerful it's the most powerful seafood thing I've ever tasted. It's completely wild. Yeah. Here we are, downtown Tokyo, and the moon. It's so unbelievably hot in Tokyo. Oh my god. I've got no energy for this. I got no energy for this.
Laura's sweating though. We forgot to eat.
And here we are, hungry, about to eat.
Last day in Japan. Hey.
Ooh. So much hype. Ay, ay, ay.
That's the street.
That's the street. That's where we're headed. On that way. Fast forward a bit, we stayed at Nishi's place in Osaka, and now we are, the next morning, we're on our way to the airport.
Hey.
We're doing it. This is it.
I know.
We're thirsty, we haven't eaten, we've just been go, go, go. Now we're back. Back at full force.
Yep.
I'll see you in the airport, probably. We're so unbelievably close to getting home. We've landed in Montreal and it seems that we're stuck in the plane. Yeah, we're just waiting. Waiting. It's hot too. Whew. We're finally free and we're on our way. It was only about a 15-minute wait. It wasn't so bad. And here we are. Ah, the fresh smell of maple syrup and bear musk. Oh. Yum.